Crazy because I just have my face and brows on, but I just wanted to do a very simple look because I have to go to an FRG meeting tonight and I don't want to be scaring anybody away with fiery red eyes, which is what I've been doing lately. So we'll still get sassy, but I just want to kind of do like a neutral look. Shocker. I'm gonna bring y'all closer. So first let me put some lips on because I feel knackered. So I'm gonna put on my new Holy Grail product. This is from e.l.f. and it is called Tea Rose. It's their new liquid matte lipsticks. And it's my perfect mauve tone. I feel like I normally mix like 4 different lips pencils to get this shade, so I'm really, really excited. Bam, bam. And I really like the applicator of it because it's really nice and like pointy. Only $5. Cool. Now I don't feel naked. So let's see, I'm going to go in with this Athena, and I'm going to go in with this taupey shade right here with a blending brush. You guessed it, you freaking guessed it. I take my Morphe M200. I'm just going to start in that outer corner, and I automatically start circling, and then I'm going to start the windshield wiper. It's not just windshield wiper, it is circling all around the crease to get that really nice blown out look. Gorgeous. I have a viewfinder. Ooh, I'm so bougie, I have a viewfinder. I've never had one of you before. Y'all, this is like a whole new world for me. I have been waiting to get a new camera since I started my channel, and that camera was great for me when I first started, but you know, your girl is trying to move up in the world. Do the same thing on the other eye. Do y'all like my new backdrop? I mean, who is bougie? Me? Not really. Not in the slightest. Y'all, I get all my clothes from Goodwill. I'm a hotness express. I'm gonna go in with a more warmer shade, but I wanted to lay this more taupier brown first because I am gonna go in with a peachy shade next, and I didn't want to be too fiery red for the energy. I've just been so into red eyes lately, like really smoky, like burnt cranberry, you know, normal everyday eye makeup looks. So I'm just blending that in, and I'm not scared to bring it in this inner corner because that's gonna make everything look all blown out. So now I'm gonna take Velour, I forgot they have names. Velour, this really pretty peachy shade, and the same brush because it's me and I don't care. So I'm just gonna pop that in the crease as well. We're gonna build that beautiful shade up. I miss you guys. I hope everyone is doing well. But yes, I'm just so impressed with these eyeshadows. When I got the box, I think I was technically supposed to do an unboxing, but I literally couldn't handle myself. I attacked that box. I attacked it. So, like I was never gonna buy the Huda Beauty's palette because I'm a broke ass witch and I don't have time to be spending $60 on an eyeshadow palette. I've swatched this, but I haven't even touched it yet because I don't, it's too beautiful. I don't know what to do with it. My eye sockets are like totally uneven, so I have to totally add more shadow to like a brow bone and crease over here. Then I do this one to make them look even. I can't help myself. I have to add some orange. I'm gonna show it to Zephyr Genie Max and be like, hi babe, why do you look like a clown? Why do you look like Pennywise? I'm gonna take Lore because I can't not. It's the most beautiful orangey shade in the world. Same brush because I get right in that crease. I just live for warm freaking shades, man. Lately, I haven't been scared to just like blend the crap out of my outer corner. Oh well. I forgot to tap off. Hello. We're just trying to look like we're going to the club. Oh, crap. I love how I say I'm gonna go with a freaking natural look and I'm looking like crazy. Crazy. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush. This is just a Wet n Wild tapered crease brush and I'm just gonna go in, just blend out all of the edges. So now I'm going to add this really pretty bronzy shade from the Aurora palette. I'm gonna add, what's this called? Radiate. This beautiful bronzy shade. I cannot wait to have fun with him. The possibilities are endless with what looks I can create. With these shimmery, like metallic-y shades, I just put it on my finger. Is it on the lid? I mean, hello. Hi, welcome. If you're new to my channel, sorry I'm flicking you off, but that is just the finger I used to put on eyeshadow. Beautiful. That's my trick. I am having fallout, but I have that all the time when I'm using messy dark shades. And so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm just placing it in the center of the lid. Not like the whole lid, well I guess the whole lid, but near, near, near. I'm so pumped. Gorgeous. For fun, I'm gonna add this Manifest color right into the center of the lid. Oh my gosh, like I can't even handle the beauty. Right in the center. See how it just kind of catches the light? I'm going to take just a little bit of powder and just kind of go underneath the eyes. Make sure we get rid of that fallout. I'm going to put on some mascara and lashes. Let's add something to the inner corner. I'm going to add phenomenon to my inner corner with this pencil brush. Just a little bit. Very similar to MAC Nylon, which is what I normally use in my inner corner, but this is a little bit more of like, it has a little bit more of yellow flecks in it, of like little gold flecks. And then for my under eyes, I've been loving this Urban Decay shadow brush. I'm gonna go on frickin' with Awakening because I'm my own boss and I'm gonna wear whatever the freak I want, man. That is it for the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna add mascara and lashes, and I'll BRB. Me-ha-hoo. Bye. Bye.